I'm not really good at this whole dating thing, and I'm not even really sure if this is a date or not, but I do know it's a little bit more than just two friends hanging out, so I was just thinking later on in the night when it's time for you to leave, whether you plan to kiss me or not. I'm just the person who hates surprises, so I can't start feeling awkward about it because I do want you to kiss me, and I know this may be presumptuous of me, but I sort of get the feeling you want to kiss me too. So I was just thinking, how much easier would it be if we just went ahead and did it already? So you could go back to cooking and I could stop mentally planning out how our night's going to play out.